Alright, whoa man, I was wigging out, boy. I tell you what, that was like, wow. So I wound up picking a bunch of stuff off the belt. The belt was more fibrous than I expected. I didn't get in here with a light and really look. And I see exactly what Randy, that sewing machine man, was saying. And let's see if I can get this. Get that focused right. There we go. What's going on is that'll jump. It just did it too. It goes, and it jumps right there. You see how it goes up higher? So it's like, so up, belt's coming up. It's not working. We're working right. So the belt's funking up, and it looked pretty cracked. So I was like, well, it might not be the best practice, and maybe it was a good thing because that really shed some light onto what the issue was there. So I gotta replace the belt. I think that's about it, but that is not an easy task. So that looks like a super detailed, meticulous, most thorough, I think, repair I'm going to be doing. So I gotta look into getting one of those and probably a service manual because, yeah, I don't think I should do that just off the one YouTube video. I'll look into it though, and after I review the service manual. But, woof, man, super, wow, I didn't see that, and now I do. So yeah, the belts must be, they're off a little bit, the gears, or the belts, gears not the issue, the belts wearing out, so. But the bevel gears look good. I don't notice anything going on there. They don't even look like they're slopped. So I wonder if they had this in for maintenance and might have already swapped those. I think those are the nicer, older, better ones. Not the newer, white, cheaper ones. I think at least. Yeah, and I learned also that the grease was a no-no. This is supposed to be oiled, so I'm glad I went and oiled everything. I'll go ahead and wipe it down a little better. When I disassemble this upper, because I've got a, like I think I showed before, that just doesn't come off and on. That whole shaft has to come out. So this is just what I'm like, I don't look forward to disassembling that. But, yeah, this comes out, and probably stick a bar or a screwdriver in there to keep that gear in place. But, yeah, that's fun time. But it doesn't look like it's wore out too bad. So I was trying to pick the fibers out. It's like down on the bottom gear, it's messing up. So I don't really notice it as much on this top gear jumping, but it is on the bottom one. And the belts had better days. There's a lot of fibers coming out. If I can pull it off, I might just pop it off just to see if I can pop it off and really go through, and possibly there's some fibers that just need to be picked out. It's kind of be a lazy man way to go, but ultimately it's going to have to be replaced. So, okay, there it is. Better keep Christ with you. It helps keep you a little more safe. So, all right, bye for now. And that plug thing too, but that's making sense. That's what worried me. This one just had me like, whoa, what the hokey Pete? Okay, bye for now.